Hello, welcome to another testing video. We're going to be testing the MP7 again, another one today, and this one again has got the Nineball type ball barrel 603. It's got the EagleSix Flat Hop Nub and the Nineball purple hot rubber in there, and we tested this shooting at 65 meters, nice and straight. Which is, like I say, great range especially for a gun this size. Obviously, in Airsoft, size of guns don't matter too much in terms of range and accuracy. So, but obviously, it's the style of play type, if you know what I mean, that maybe this would be used for. Is obviously not quite shooting that far, but it's nice to know it can do it. And obviously, we do the upgrades if people want them. And yeah, just thought I'd just quickly demonstrate it working. It's all working great. If you get any questions, give me a shout, but hopefully the build is to your specifications. Any problems, let me know, but otherwise we hope you enjoy it, so thank you.